Hey, what's up, y'all? Y'all know who this is. Zeke in the kitchen again. Making something. Can't say messing up nothing because I don't usually mess what I cook up. Well, I know I did a few videos. Y'all showed me eating my chocolate chip cookies. Or probably taking a picture of them. Now I'm going to show y'all how I make my chocolate chip cookies. And these are some good chocolate chip cookies. They're better than Chips Ahoy, I think. So, I'm going to make this a short video. So, in my bowl right here, my dry ingredients, I got a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. Okay, so I got a cup and a half all-purpose flour. I want to put in there, let me go on while I got it. I'm going to put a dash of salt. You put like a half of, I can measure with my hand. Maybe, okay, that's good right there. A half a teaspoon, that's about half a teaspoon of salt in that flour. I'm going to, let's see, this is a tablespoon. This is a half a tablespoon. This is a teaspoon. This is a half teaspoon. I'm about to put a half a teaspoon of cinnamon in here. I'm telling you, these are some good chocolate chip cookies. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Put that in there. Where is it? Okay. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Matter of fact, let me pull my camera down so y'all can see me put it in here. Hope it's on there. Hope it's close enough on there. Let's see. If not, y'all should be able to see. Okay. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to put a tablespoon of Hershey's cocoa powder. Might be a little over a tablespoon. This is my tablespoon here. So see there? Hershey's cocoa powder. So we're gonna call this a chocolate chip walnut cookie. So I'm putting walnuts in it too. So I'm gonna put about, let me see, this probably over the tablespoon mark. A little over a tablespoon. So put a tablespoon of Hershey's chocolate in there. And we're going to put one teaspoon of baking soda. Some Arm & Hammer baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda. So, let me see this teaspoon. Is this a teaspoon? That's a teaspoon. All right, teaspoon of baking soda. And that's it for your dry. That's it. Take your whisk and whisk that all together. All right, after this, I'm going to come back and we're about to do the wet, which is your eggs, your sugar, your vanilla extract. Be right backy. All right, in this bowl right here, I have 1 stick of half melted butter. I put it in the microwave for a few, half melted. And I have a tablespoon of white shortening. Zeke, why you got white shortening there? I'll let y'all know after a while. It keeps your cookies soft. Okay, so that's 1 tablespoon of white shortening and that's 1 stick of butter. To that, I'm about to add a half a cup of white sugar and a half a cup of light brown sugar. Gotta have some brown sugar in your chocolate chip cookies. So got that in there. And I'm about to mix this and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all see that butter, that shortening, and the white sugar and brown sugar is beaten up. Now we're gonna add 1 large egg. Oh yeah, this is for a single batch. Just to let y'all know. Let me crack my egg. So we're gonna put 1 large egg in there. See that? No shells. And we're gonna put 1 let me get my things right. I want 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Come on, get right so I can, okay. That's my tablespoon. I have a tablespoon. This is my teaspoon. So I want 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I always do pure vanilla. So a large egg and there we go. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. I'm gonna take that and beat that in. I'll be right back. All right, that go everything whipped up. That's still wet. Now, y'all remember the dry? We're gonna add this. We're gonna add this dry to the wet. I can just dump it all in at one time. The mixer will mix it. So, gonna mix that dry and that wet. After we mix all that, we're gonna just fold in the chocolate chips and the walnuts and let this dough chill for about an hour or 30 minutes till it firm up. I like firm dough. So I'm gonna put the dry in there. And let me start my noisy ass mixer again. All right, look at that. There go your cookie dough. There go your plain cookie dough. Now, let's mix in 1 cup of chopped walnuts. And we just gonna fold that in. That's a cup of chopped walnuts and 1 cup of chocolate chips. That's what that is. Take my spoon. I'm gonna fold it in. And fold it in. Just turn it in there. Alright. So let me fold all this in. Then I'm gonna put the cover on it and put it in the fridge and let this chill for a little while. Y'all see that? Let me show my camera in there. Y'all see? Nah, flip back on me. Hey. Y'all, hey. All right, the cookie dough is finished. Here it go. See that? Look at that. Wasn't that easy? I'm telling you, if you make these cookies, they are so good. So, about to let these chill about 30 minutes, 35 minutes in the refrigerator. About to cover it up. Woo. All right, see y'all in a few. All right, y'all, the dough is, look, my dough is firm. It's chilled up. Now, wait, let me wash my hands. Wash my hands. All right. And we're going to make cookies. Okay, I'm still on this camera. Make sure I'm centered. I think I'm centered. Hey y'all, hi. So, we get a spoon. Of course, your cookies might be different sizes, but I get some dough like this. I get about, let's see, that's a nice cookie. Yeah, I get about this much dough. I roll in my hands like this in a ball, and then I smash like that. Then I take my hand and try to sculpture a little bit, and I lay it flat on the cookie sheet. I put about 2 inches of space between each cookie. Yeah, roll it in a ball like this. Smash the middle. See there? That's how you get perfect little circle cookies. People be like, Zeke, your cookies be all the same size. Oh, I ain't doing nothing special. Put that one right there. I know they all be circular. So, let me roll, smash. See there? Perfect circle. The perfect circle. Put this one here. All right, let me roll these cookies. Let me put them all on the cookie sheet. See how many this make right quick for the first batch, and I'll be right back. Got them on the tray, y'all. That's about 15 of them. I got my oven set at 350, and I'm gonna put them in there for about 10 minutes. All right, and you're about to see the best chocolate chip walnut cookies in the world. All right, oven time. All right, y'all. They've been in 10.5 minutes. I put an extra. I put an extra 30 seconds on it. Let's take them out of here. Let's take them out. Take them out. I want to burn myself. Got my mittens on and make sure I'm going straight. Y'all, the blind man. Am I straight? Am I straight? I think I'm straight. Can y'all see me? Let me see. Can y'all? Yeah, y'all can see me. All right. They've been in 10.5 minutes. Let's take a look at them. I already poured me a glass of milk. Look at that. Oh, they smell so good. There they go. I'm going to touch the one I'm going to eat. I'm going to touch them on the end. Oh, yeah. They're ready. There they go. Be right back. Fresh chocolate chip walnut cookies. All right. Let's try one. Look at that. Look at my cookie, y'all. Oh my goodness, it's so soft and ready to be eaten. And I told y'all, I done poured me a glass of milk already. So let's taste them. But y'all know, I already know what they're gonna taste like, cause I bake them all the time. Yeah. It's so good. I know how I like my cookie. Crunch around the edges and soft and chewy in the middle. It's a good cookie, y'all. All right. Y'all know what I say. Y'all seen the blind man make it. Now you go make you some. Bye.